Why do you feel so happy with all this evil in the world?
Garmadon, calm down. Do not let your Oni blood take control. Don't let my Oni blood take control. You are the first Spinjizu master, correct? Yes, I am. Then you can teach me all you know about Spinjizu and help me be a Spinjizu master. You are not worthy. But why? Because I sense evil in you, and I will not give it to someone who will use it for evil. Then I will learn how to become the Spinjizu master myself. He kept coming back day after day to the point where we learned his name. Then eventually, we never heard from him again. What do? He will need air jitsu, so I will send Kai and Nia to go get the scroll of air jitsu and sticks. We're on it, Sensei. Good luck, Ninja. Good luck. So where is this scroll of air jitsu? It is in the city of Styx, the city on water. Now which one of them do you want to learn air jitsu? The one in green. Good. Now on to Styx. We're almost there, sis. We're here. Now let's go find that scroll of air jitsu. What happens if Zan becomes the ultimate master of Spinjitzu? It will give him great power with every form of Spinjitzu. And it will take another great power to stop him. So we just can't let him get that power. Yes, we cannot let him get it. Alright, let's start looking for this scroll. Hello, people of Styx. If you tell us where the scroll of air jitsu is, we will leave here peacefully. Hey there, Ninja. I'm Chase. I've been looking to help some people for a while. It looks like you're the people that need help. Let me help you beat these guys. Thanks for your help. We'll need it. I must go help my friends. Oh no. Take your scroll. How could I have been so stupid? That is where the scroll of Dragon Jitsu is. Let's go. Thanks for your help, Akita. Thank you. But now I must go back on my journey to find out about my past. Sensei, they got the scroll, but we have a new ally that will be joining us. We'll get to you soon. Okay. I know what to do. What do we do, Sensei? Lloyd, you are going to the realm of Oni and Dragon. farthest scroll of Dragon Jitsu. Hey guys, thanks for watching episode 3 of Sons of Spinjitzu. This is the mid-season finale, so we have 3 more episodes. But, yeah. So, I forgot to tell everyone that there's this at the end, the comment question stuff. So I'm going to ask the same question that I asked last time, hopefully remembering to tell in the comments. So, yeah. Comment question again is, how do you like this season so far? Because I've never successfully had a custom season. I've tried 3 times to successfully do it. Season 2 is 1 episode, and then it's a video explaining what the other episodes were so I could keep it in the storyline of my series and still consider it season 2. But then, yeah. So, yeah, what do you think of this episode? Follow my Instagram, official_Gavin_productions. All lowercase. And yeah, see you guys next time.